There's a channel out there that dropped just 20 simple videos, and in no time at all, it blew up to over 1.2 million subscribers and racked up more than 27 million views. Yeah, you heard that right. Millions of views from only a handful of uploads. And here's the wild part. This channel is already making around $6,000 a month. And the best part? They're doing it with almost no effort at all. No fancy equipment, no editing headaches, nothing complicated. These videos are literally just simple, hand-drawn stick figure animations paired with motivational or educational voiceovers. And that's it. No expensive software, no drawing skills required, and no camera gear. Thanks to free AI tools, you can now make these exact kinds of videos from scratch without ever touching a pencil. And in today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to do it step by step. So stick around until the end, because if you miss a step, your final video won't come out right. So yeah, don't skip ahead. Let's dive straight into it. The very first step is the script. This is your foundation, the heart of everything. Whether you're creating an educational explainer, a self-motivation story, or a deep emotional message, your script sets the tone and keeps your audience hooked. So to make this super easy, I've already put together a Google Doc filled with structured prompts that will help you generate your own unique script ideas. You'll find the link down below in the description, so go check that out. And real quick, if you've made it this far, go ahead and tap that like button for me, because it really helps the YouTube algorithm push this video to more creators like you. Now, once you've got the doc open, copy those script prompts. They're designed to help you craft engaging, smooth-flowing scripts every time. Then, head over to ChatGPT, paste the prompts in, and right where it says Insert Topic, just type your niche. Maybe it's self-motivation, productivity, personal growth, or literally anything you want your channel to be about. For this example, let's pick self-motivation. Hit enter, and within seconds, ChatGPT will generate a full, ready-to-use script with a strong hook, a clear message, and a natural human tone. It's perfect for voiceover narration and super easy to follow. Now, here's a quick tip. If you want your video to run longer, just ask ChatGPT to expand the script. Say something like, make this 10 minutes or 15 minutes, and it'll automatically add more storytelling, examples, and transitions to make it flow perfectly. Once you're happy with your script, it's time for step 2, generating your voiceover. This is where we bring your words to life, and we're going to use 11 Labs, one of the most realistic AI voice tools available. So open your browser and search 11 Labs. Click Get Started, and if you don't already have an account, go ahead and sign up. It's quick and free. Once you're in, click on Instant Speech. This is where all the magic happens. Now hop back to ChatGPT, copy your script, and paste it into 11 Labs text box. Before hitting Generate, take a few seconds to clean it up. Remove extra spaces or lines you don't need. Now click Voices and scroll through the list. You'll see tons of AI voices, all with different tones and emotions. Pick one that fits your vibe. Maybe calm and educational, or more bold and motivational. Whatever matches your channel. Click Generate, and in a few seconds, 11 Labs will create a super realistic voiceover that sounds like an actual human narrator. Play it back and listen. You'll be amazed.
It's not gonna just appear one day like, hey buddy, let's conquer life. Nope.
Once you're satisfied, hit download and save the file to your device. All right, now we've got our voiceover. Let's move to step 3, generating your visuals. We're going to use Ideogram, an AI image generator, to create those stick figure scenes. So open Ideogram, sign up or log in, and click the plus icon to start creating. Now before generating anything, we'll set up the right parameters. Set the style to realistic, so the stick figures look like they were hand-drawn instead of digitally animated. Then adjust the aspect ratio to 16:9, since that's the perfect YouTube format. Now we'll need some strong image prompts to get good results. You'll find these in the same Google Doc. Copy them and paste them into ChatGPT to expand and refine them. ChatGPT will instantly turn them into detailed, descriptive prompts designed to produce consistent stick figure scenes. Now copy the first prompt and go back to Ideogram, paste it into the box, and click Generate. In a few seconds, you'll see multiple hand-drawn stick figure images, each slightly different in pose or angle. Look through them carefully and pick the one that fits your script best. Once you've found your favorite, click Download and repeat this process for each scene until you have a full set of visuals for your video. Each time you'll learn what kind of descriptions get the best results, so the process gets faster and easier. Next up is the background music. And instead of wasting time hunting for copyright-free tracks or risking copyright issues, we're going to create our own custom instrumental using Suno AI. Go to suno.com, sign up if you haven't already, and click on the music icon to open the music creation interface. Now, since we're only creating background sound, we don't need lyrics. We just want a clean instrumental that matches the tone of your video. So here's a trick. Hop back to ChatGPT and ask, what music style would fit a motivational stick figure animation? It'll instantly give you a recommendation, like soft piano with ambient drums or cinematic light tones. Copy that style, go back to Suno, paste it into the input box, give your track a title, and click Create. In just a few moments, Suno will generate 2 completely original instrumentals. Hit play on both, listen carefully, and pick the one that fits your mood best. Once you've decided, click Download, and boom! You now have your own custom background tune. All right, now let's move to the final step, editing everything together inside CapCut. Open CapCut, click New Project, and import all your hand-drawn images from Ideogram. Since we're doing a YouTube format, make sure to select 16:9 for your project. Then import your 11 Labs voiceover, drag it onto the timeline, and play it through. Trim out any long pauses or awkward gaps so it flows naturally. Next, we'll sync our visuals to the voiceover. Start playing the narration and adjust each image clip so it matches what's being said on screen. This step takes a little patience, but it's what makes your video feel professional. Once synced, we'll add transitions to make everything smooth. Click Overlays, choose a transition effect, maybe a fade or a slide, and then click Apply to All for consistency. Transitions help your video feel cohesive and keep people watching. Now let's enhance the visuals by adding subtle video effects. Click Effects, then Video Effects, and browse through what's available. Maybe add a light motion blur, a soft vignette, or a gentle paper texture to give that authentic sketch look. Apply them tastefully, just enough to bring your stick figures to life without overdoing it. Then, import the background music we created in Suno. Drop it below your voiceover on the timeline and reduce the volume so it doesn't overpower the narration. Somewhere around 20% is perfect. You just want it to sit quietly under, making the video feel full and professional. To boost engagement even further, we'll add captions. Click Text, then Auto Captions. Choose your style, maybe clean and minimal, then click Generate. CapCut will automatically transcribe and sync everything to your voiceover, making your video easier to follow and more accessible, especially for viewers watching without sound. Now give your entire timeline a final review. Play it from start to finish, check transitions, image timing, and make sure the audio and captions are perfectly aligned. Once everything feels smooth, click Export. Set the resolution to 4K for the best quality, and let it render.
Ever had one of those mornings where your bed feels like it's hugging you, your phone alarm sounds like a personal attack, and your goals suddenly feel optional? Yeah, we've all been there. But here's the thing, motivation isn't magic. It's not gonna just appear one day like, hey buddy, let's conquer life. Nope, motivation is built, not found. It's like a car, it won't move until you turn the key. You start small, make your bed, take that shower, send that one email you've been avoiding. That tiny action, that's your spark, because once you move, momentum kicks in, and suddenly you're doing more than you thought you could. You don't need to be inspired to start, you need to start to get inspired. Even the most successful people didn't wake up ready. They woke up tired, scared, lazy, but they showed up anyway. So next time you're waiting to feel ready, just remember, progress doesn't need perfection, it needs motion. Start now, even if it's messy, because one small step today can change everything tomorrow.
And there it is, your own viral stick figure AI video, completely made from scratch using nothing but free AI tools. No drawing, no fancy equipment, and no prior editing experience. If this tutorial helped you out, go ahead and hit that like button. Subscribe if you haven't already, and drop a comment below letting me know what kind of video you're planning to make next. Trust me, this niche is still wide open, and the earlier you jump in, the faster you can grow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.